Here at Osirium, our technical teams all have access to AWS. It's extremely easy for them to run up whatever they want, but they forget to spin it back down. Who's looking after the costs? We wouldn't want to give our technical teams access to our finance systems, and similarly, they wouldn't want to give our operations teams access to the API keys, whatever they are. So we run an Opus task to simplify the whole process. Here's the task. And here's the results. I know there were some keys involved somewhere, but neither I or the laptop have been anywhere near them. The technical team are happy, the operations team have everything they need. If you have any issues such as these, and you care about them, please get in touch.